In today's video, we'll create typography poster design with Canva. For this, click on video, then YouTube video. Blank page opens up. Now go to elements, click on elements, and in search box search for frame and click on the frame, first one, and drag and resize it. Duplicate this frame. Again duplicate, and as per number of letters, duplicate these elements. Now adjust their positions so that they will be of equal space in between them. Like this, you can check the distance between them. Select all these and group them so that we can move all together, then ungroup them after positioning. Now search for frame letter. Now as per the words, select the words. Like Paris, you select P. Resize and fit it on first element of same width. Similarly, add other letters. Check their height so that they all look of same size in terms of height, and they must be center line as well. To their respective column. So we have placed all the letters. Now select and group these one by one and move their position so that they all look nice. And after this, ungroup. Then go to uploads. Select an image, insert in the letter. Now double click and resize it to the size of the page. And click outside. Again, drag image, resize it as per the size of the page. Repeat this process for all letters. Just resize the image as per the size of the page and then click outside. It will be filled in the letter. Same for the boxes. First, select the image, resize the image as per the size of the page. Same is with the boxes. Click on the image, click on image, then in this way drag on the letter and double click. And resize it to the size of the page. And then click outside. Same is with the rectangular boxes. Pick the image, resize it up to the size of the page and click outside. It will be filled within the box. Repeat this process for all the letters. So in this way we had filled all the letters. Now click on gradient color, select this and change the background. In this way we can create for other letters as well. Thank you for watching this video.